put that in one pocket, and I'm going to pull this out of another pocket.
It's funny how they make actual devices.
They make devices for this now, yes. I started before they made the devices, and I usually ended up with a bra full of Diet Coke for the afternoon. So what are the little white things in the bottle? They're Mentos. So if I took a Mentos candy and I pass it around and you felt it, would it feel smooth or would it feel bumpy? It's going to feel smooth, but if you took a magnifying glass or microscope and stick it under there, it's actually got little tiny pock marks on it. And those become nucleation sites. And it's an important thing that we'll kind of see in a lot of our different hazards. So we talked about hail just a few minutes ago. And we mentioned the little ice balls, the grapple that's going up and around. And that, as it goes up and around, water vapor will attach to that, and it becomes a nucleation site for that attachment. We'll look at volcanoes tomorrow. Ash will go up into the upper atmosphere, and it'll be a place for moisture to come out of water vapor and to coalesce around, and then to cause the rain, which, since it's volcanic ash, it tends to be highly sulfurous. We'll get acid rain from that. So as you look at these things where you have these impurities, these little nucleation sites become places where stuff coalesces around. In this case, when we drop it, it's going to be the carbonation gas that's in here, the carbon dioxide, will coalesce around those little pock marks. The more pock marks that we have from all the different candies that go in there, so 3 candies versus 5 candies, we're going to get a much more energetic release because you get all of those little bubbles come off of that till the bubble overcomes the surface tension of the fluid, and then it pops, and then the next one pops, and the next one pops. So the more candies we can get in there at once, the higher we're going to have that almost explosive style of release of gas coming out of the suspension here. Now, what else am I doing with this mechanism to increase the pressure? I'm sealing it right now, but I also have this nozzle. The nozzle takes it from being that big to that big. So I'm increasing the pressure behind it, which means it's going to jet higher. So this is the best nozzle for getting the highest jet. You don't have to stand here.
Okay.
Really? You're not going to come back? All right.
Company shirt.
Check him out.